In this video, I'm gonna guide you on how you can use WhatsApp. So open your WhatsApp account and you can log in using your number. Here you can see the bunch of people on your contacts that you may talk with on WhatsApp, or you may just tap on this plus icon at the right side and you can see your contacts on WhatsApp. If they're available, you will see them up, but if they're not available, you will see the option called invite on that side. If you want to invite the person to WhatsApp, just tap on invite and send the link to them and they may connect with you on WhatsApp. So on the very top option, you can see new group and new contact and new community option. So to create a new group, you just need to tap on this option and add the members You may just add the contacts you have and create a group. Likewise, to create a new contact, just tap on new contact and enter the first last name and enter the phone number and save it to your respective Gmail account and tap on save. Or you can also use QR code on your device. You may just share the code or you may scan the code of that person to add each other on WhatsApp. And you have this new community option. You can tap on this and create a new community such as social sites. And on the side of chat, you can see this updates option. So here, let's say if I tap on this person, what you can do is to send a message, just tap on this text box, and to send some pictures or media, just tap on this link account and you can see camera, gallery, audio option. You may choose gallery to share your photos, videos, audio to share audio, location to share your given location, your contact. You may also ask questions by tapping on poll, and you may also give an event reminder by tapping on that event option. And besides that, you can see this microphone option. Just long press on it and you may record anything and send to that person. After that, we have this update option. Here you can see you can update your status by adding video or photos. Tap on update status and share anything you want. After that, you can see channels. You may just follow any channels you may like. They will give you respective information about their own channel. And you may tap on explore more for more channels. And here on updates, you already know about communities, and that on the side you can see this call option. You may just tap on this call icon and search for your number or phone number and tap or call that up person. And after that, when you tap on the three dot on this page, you go to your settings of your app. Here you can see account settings. Here you can organize your account accordingly. You may enter your pass key, email address, two-step verification, change your number, or delete your account as well. And under that, we have privacy options. You can set accordingly when you want people to see you online or not, your profile photo visibility, your contacts, your status, everything. And here you can see chats. You can change the theme here, wallpaper, media visibility, keeps chat archived, chats backup, transfer chats, chat history. And you can go to stories and tap on manage stories and manage your WhatsApp stories. And you have this help option in case you need any help from WhatsApp. And that's it. They are the basic thing that you need to follow to use WhatsApp. In order to call or video call that person, you may just tap on that given person and you can see this call and video call icon. And that's it. That's how you use WhatsApp very easily. So thank you for watching this video and I hope this video was helpful to you.